Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is 256 gigabyte and this is LL version, and you can see this battery 100% and cycle count 1 times, and this is also unlocked one. You can see this is the iOS series number. Okay, 26. You can see the screw, the beautiful machine. You can see there's no SIM card slot. Okay, only can use eSIM. Okay, good condition. Let me show you the device information. And iPhone 16 Pro Max IL means the US version, and 256 card, 256 gigabyte, and you can see unlocked one, no SIM card restrictions. Only can use eSIM. You can see here. But let me show you this one. This one also 16 Pro Max 100%. Okay, LL version, but this one has the card. You can see. Let me show you. Because in Shenzhen they can make the card for the LL version. You can see. Let me show you. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max LL version and 256 gigabyte. This is no SIM card restrictions. This is the SIM card 1, the SIM card 2. Okay, not like this one. Let me show you. You can see they are different. This has SIM card, this has no SIM card. Okay, they are all US version. In Shenzhen, they can make the SIM card in the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay, so you can use their SIM card, two SIM cards now. This is a white version, beautiful machine. And if you want to buy, you can contact me. Okay. Good condition, good price. Okay. You can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information. Okay. See you in the next video.